Good morning. Good morning. I hope you're doing great. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. So this is not going to take much time, but we just going to see what's really happening. Um, at the moment, I will start with cryptos and go on the metals and maybe one or two currency pairs and also indices. You see. So at the moment, you can see that I'm actually on Bitcoin. Let me just use daily time frame because these structures are crazy big, you see. So what we have here, I think the market is trying to show us that it's actually reversing a little bit. And I think it's a very good thing because if you missed the market at the lowest level, this will be a nice area for us to look for that buy. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to have that nice buy around this level. But I'm actually planning to buy and hold it, not on like trading, like on these other platforms where you can actually invest, like Easy Equity. In South Africa, we have Easy Equity and the other ones, but I'm used to Easy Equity. Just to buy and hold, but I think at the moment it's actually overbought, or I can say it's actually on the highest level. So there is a chance for some sort of reversal. So you can actually look for other ones which are still at the lowest levels or lowest zones. But I'm expecting to see a nice continuation of that buy from Bitcoin. So XRP, let's see XRP. I used to like this, but I think it's actually moving quite similar to Nasdaq. So I don't really see actually where we can actually buy this. Maybe it will reverse here and there. Let's see Doge. Okay, Dogecoin is still, at least it's reversing a little bit, but we can see that it's coming from this higher level. So maybe we might end up having something like that, or we don't really have to force it that much. Maybe we can just draw something like that. We can see that can be a proper support. This can be a proper resistance. Remember, I don't really actively trade this. I actually like to hold them. Just buy and hold. Let's say just investing. So platinum, guys, we will be going on this pairs going further, but at the moment I'm just giving you some clues what we are going to check. But at the moment it's just quick analysis. Platinum. I can see that we are actually, I can say we are on the support area. We are on the support area. So we can have a horizontal structure around this zone. Do you see that? So that is actually around the support area. So I'm expecting to see a nice push to the upside because this is a proper reversal, quite similar to that. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see that. And plus, when we check on the bottom side, we can see that the market actually, wow, it's very closer to the support area that we have. You see that this is a proper up trend. So I think the market might start to go even higher. I think we should have a trade on this one. I'll have to send that signal once I'm done with this analysis. Silver, what's really happening on silver? Quite not really the same as platinum. Not really the same as platinum, but what I like here is the market is still on a very nice uptrend. You can see that the market from this level started to go higher. Do you see that? So we can see that the market is just creating something like that. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So now what we can do is we can try to draw our thing. Remember, this these pairs or instruments, they won't move like your typical forex. So they move in a way that you have to actually modify your strategies here and there. But at the end of the day, most likely you will actually see that no, whatever that you know as technical will still actually apply very nice here. But another thing that you should know is understand that you have to follow some few events or economic news. You see, So you can see that we are on that nice uptrend. Do you see that? So we are still on that nice uptrend. So I'm expecting maybe the market to reach this support area before maybe we see another push. But on the moment, I will just wait here. I will just wait because I think the market has to reverse here and there. You can study it from here. It's also fine. But I think we have to respect this support area. So at the end of the day, I think we will end up drawing it like that. So which means we might end up connecting with these areas. So it might end up looking like this. Let's see. Something like that. So we can see that the market is actually going higher and higher. As we see, we can also place this here. You can see that actually makes sense. It's just that we had that aggressive breakout. But we see that the market consolidate, push higher, consolidate, push higher, consolidate. And the market might still consolidate and push higher from this. But we can easily see that we are on that nice uptrend. I saw USD ZAR on a very nice support. If you still remember, we had this structure for quite some time. And I like the fact that the dollar actually reversed. I think we might have a buy from this support area. I think we're going to have some serious signals this week. So now let's push to the next one. I can say Euro USD, sorry, GBPUSD. Where is GBPUSD? GBPUSD is still playing around, guys. It's still actually playing around. We've been holding this for quite some time, and it's just playing around the same level. Once it reaches this level, I will just get out because it's playing games. There is a chance that it might reverse before going higher again. There is that possibility. So let's push to Euro USD. I think we had a sell pending order. The reason behind that was we have this nice downtrend structure, and it seems like the market just respected our resistance area. Do you see these levels? So the market respected that. So obviously I'm expecting to see the market going down as we follow the trend, right? So dollar index, it was going down. I hope you did check my daily my quick analysis yesterday. But here you can see that even though it's going down, we are still actually on this nice uptrend. We expect to see the market continuing to go higher. Obviously, the market won't just go straight up. The market has to reverse along the way, and then so that we can have those proper buys, right? So now we are on gold. On gold, we can see, please guys, if you did not really check at the analysis, go on my yesterday's video. You will see when we were going through everything. And later today, we're going to go on our live session. So this is what we have on gold. We can see that it's respecting or respected this level of a support here, and it's now going higher. I did not really want to risk much here, but I'm still I'm expecting the market to go a little bit lower before we have that. But we can easily see that, yes, the market is on this aggressive uptrend. You can see it's been going up for quite some time. So I'm not expecting much of a reversal, but obviously along the way, it will come and it will be comfortable for us we're going to have confidence taking those trades and holding those trades, right? Because sometimes it's pointless trying to take trades where you don't really have confidence, because you're going to check your phone every 2 seconds because you're not really sure if maybe this will reverse or something. So if maybe you are in that dilemma, it's better to wait for a proper structure that you know that you can even forget. Sometimes you can forget because you have confidence, but just because maybe you have the confidence, it doesn't really mean that you're not going to take some losses here and there. But it's way much better to have that confidence when you trade, you see, because you can actually, it helps you to have enough profits. You can hold, you can check the profits and still hold, you see. So now we are on US30. We can see that the market actually shows us that we are still on that nice uptrend, but the market is still struggling to break our resistance. So which means we just have to wait. We saw Nasdaq actually will be going on Nasdaq and S&P 500 just to see what happened there. But it shows us that, you know what, the market is still very strong enough not to give us those sell positions or to sell. it shows us that there is bullish momentum trying to push the market, even though we have this resistant area, which means it's like 50-50. You see, so we need extra power from this bullish move to break this level, then we'll be ready to fly. But at the moment, it seems like, you know what, the market doesn't really show us that. But for those who wants to be part of our team and start to eat with us, you can see that we have some very nice signals there. 6 months, $48. Way too cheap. Lifetime, pay once, forget, $110. For those who want our signals or signal indicator, it's $150. You see. But on that, talk to me. I will be giving you guys some special. Let me know if you want to be or you want to purchase the system. I can offer you some discounts. So just let me know. Scan that QR code and talk to me, right? So now we are going straight to Nasdaq. On Nasdaq, we can easily see that yes, the market is still actually showing us that still on that nice bullish structure. And when we go closer, obviously, let's go a little bit closer. We can see that the market is breaking everything that we had as a resistance. You see that? So, which shows us that there is enough bullish momentum actually on Nasdaq. So things are looking good. So now that's why we see the market breaking out of this resistance that we had before. And once we break out, we no longer have anything there. You see, we no longer have anything that we can call as a resistance. And if we go, or if when we zoom a little bit closer, we can easily see that the market created a smaller movement, a nice breakout and a smaller movement to show us that it's rejecting, then it's going higher. So when we have this type of breakouts, there is a possibility for the market to reverse aggressively. So let's be extra careful around the zones. But what we can do here is, or what we can have, we can say, it's better to have some trades or buy pending orders a little bit above there, so that if the market reaches this area, we can say, yeah, we were a little bit far from that level. And if it pushes higher, that will be obvious as the market is still on that uptrend. But if maybe things goes wrong, I can't say we entered early because we waited for a clear move. So that's why we can say we can have that confidence, but anything can still happen. But at the moment, I don't really see anything wrong that maybe might push the market to go lower. But maybe it might be some profit taking. There's investors who are maybe making a lot of money and say, you know what, we made a lot here, so it's time to close some of the positions. You might find that those positions are billions, and that might shake the market a little bit before maybe going higher. So this is S&P 500, similar move there with Nasdaq breaking out here, and we still expect to see that push to the upside. You see. So now let's push to the next one. German still doing its thing, still flying, guys, still flying. Very nice structures there. You can see I'm just waiting for a proper reversal before I see a nice push to the upside. At the moment, I think it's overbought. I can't do anything. But anyways, remember, we still have, just talk to me if you want some discount on our signal indicator. But if you want some signals, there you can see it's 12 months, $60. That is way too affordable. Anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I will see you on the next one. Bye.